Europe needs a robust and resilient ISR infrastructure. It needs drones, it needs ships, it needs aircraft, and obviously it needs also satellites for deep strike capabilities especially. Because with satellites we can cover a wider geography, we can look at deeper inside it, we can make decisions for deep strike capability necessary to do. Satellites give you also the possibility to monitor large areas without violating any kind of borders, any kind of sovereignty of different countries. And satellites give you the possibility to look really on a large scale and prepare also on a strategic level. If you don't have space, then your area of awareness, situation awareness is very limited. You can only look maybe 20, 30 kilometers around you, and in the modern theater where aircraft can even not be coming close to any kind of combat line, you rely only on drones, and this is a very limited way of information detection and gathering. We at Reflex build small satellites between 100 to 500 kilograms, which are perfect to carry very sophisticated sensors and also onboard processing. That means you can create constellations, and this actually provides you on a tactical level the information you need.